Good morning, everyone. My name is Bill Barber. I'm the program coordinator of culinary arts and a full-time faculty. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to the local community, to the residents of Costa Mesa and the people that we serve. We are so grateful to the residents in helping to fund the facilities that will train generations of future culinarians, nutrition, dietetic students, restaurant management, hospitality, and hotel students. Thank you to all the people that planned, revised, reworked, reworked, and brought the vision and our vision to reality. In 1990, when I first started teaching here, thanks, Dave, I never thought I would be here some 30 years later at the dedication of this new building. Over the years, I think we've been through at least 2 remodels that I was a part of, and many more before I had started working here. During our last remodel, 2000-ish, we just kind of blocked it out. We were in trailer kitchens on the other side of campus for a year. That was fun. We definitely got our money's worth out of that old building. Thousands of culinary students passed through the walls of the old student center. And some people ask, won't you miss the old place? No. No. No, I don't miss the old place at all. I think it was over there somewhere, but I've kind of forgotten all about that. The reason is because this new place still has what makes OCC programs so special. It's not the cool new bricks and the fancy glass or the shiny new ovens, although those are pretty awesome. It's really the people. It's the instructors, the classified, the hourly people, all the support crew that help us and show up on a daily basis and work hard to serve our dedicated students. And of course, it's the students. It's the people that make this fabulous new building even more of a special place that will serve the community for generations to come. And we are all proud to have been part of the process and humbled by the support that we have received from the community. Thank you.